Hello and welcome to this video on using your Casio calculator for performing calculations. Now, the first thing to do is to make sure that your calculator is in the Maths I/O mode, and you achieve this with these keystrokes mode 1. So the first calculation we're going to have a look at is the square root of 2.3 plus 0.7 raised to the power 3 divided by 1 minus 0.21 all raised to the power 4. Let's bring up our calculator. So the first thing we need to do is to clear the display. So we achieve this with AC. Now we enter square root and then we enter the fraction. And we're now going to put the numbers above the line, which is 2.3 plus 0.7. Now we need to raise this to the power 3, so we have shift, and we can see raised to the third, and we then use the cursor to go below the line. So this time we're now going to have 1 minus 0.21, and we're going to raise this to the power 4. So this is the key, and we now place in the number 4 there, and we press equals, and that is our answer, which is 1.627, etc. So that is the first problem. Now in the second problem we are going to have a whole number, and we're going to raise this to the power of 2.1. Now you will notice that in this expression we just have letters. So we have an A, we have a B, we have a C and a D. And here are the values for these letters. So A is 2.4, B is 0.6, C is 1.88 and D is 3.79. So we now put these letters or these numbers into the expression. So when we do this, we have 2.4 to the power 2 plus the log of 0.6 divided by 1.88 raised to the power 3 plus the third root of 3.79, and all that is raised to the power of 2.1. And here are the keystrokes for performing this calculation. So we'll begin by clearing the display, so that when we have a bracket and we then have the fraction, as you can see there, so we then have 2.4, and we're going to square that, plus the log of 0.6, close the bracket, use the cursor to go to the denominator, then we have 1.88, we need to raise that to the power 3, so it's shift to the third, plus we need to have a third root here, so again it's a shift, and you'll see the third root, and you then enter the number 3.79. So we need to use the cursor twice, once, twice, and then we then put in our bracket, and we need to raise this to the power of 2.1. So there's the power key, and then enter 2.1 equals, and that's our answer is 0.39.